clear now?
Yes, I think so, yeah.
Okay. Any one measure jaggery.
Yeah.
They are all small left. Let me take out a little more and then we can. Yeah, this is
Very hot.
very hot.
But it's coming
By
right
that
off the
time, yes.
thigh.
Okay.
That's nice. No?
Just yeah, breaking.
Hmm.
So then you add till.
Now she's adding the till.
So one measure I took good like full. So I will put little more till.
So that was about a quarter.
No, I mean gur was totally overflow.
So you put a
this
little quarter.
is equal amount only.
Okay.
It is equal. But now
Oh, you didn't put it all. Okay.
if I need more, mix it and see if there is extra gur. I will add more. This was one measure to one measure. It feels little loose, so I will add this much more, about 2 tablespoons. If you don't put, that's okay too, but if this mixture is loose, you will have difficult time rolling because there will be too much gur.
Have you switched off the flame or is
No,
still
no,
at low?
it is still on at low. You keep until you are all done with rolling. If you switch off the flame, this will become all gatta. It will dry up in a minute. So you leave it on until you are done. So you just mix it properly. And I will add vanilla. If I make good, I add vanilla. If I make with sugar, I add a little bit rose and elaichi, depending on what chikki I am making.
Okay.
So just a couple of drops of vanilla. Okay, now comes the rolling part. Difficult one. This was easy.
Peanuts.
Oh, and the smell. Oh my God, the smell.
You're killing them, Hema. Oh, do you mind just moving that essence? I'm worried.
And always make it in a small batch. Don't try to make in a bigger batch. If you want to make a lot, you make small batches. Okay. So you take, I have this plastic sheets,
These are acrylic sheets, right? That you can put hot
this is
stuff
like a
on.
cutting board kind
An
of
acrylic
thing.
cutting board.
And I just put little ghee on this and on my belan.
So, silicone sheet should also work, right?
Yeah. Anything that, even if you do it on countertop, that will work.
It just damage your countertop.
No, I don't think so.
Cutting?
No, this is rental, so I don't mess up. But in US, I do it on my countertop.
Is that granite in the US?
Granite, yeah.
Ah, that's why.
So you take a small bowl, make it into a circle like that while it is still hot. Be careful, and you need to quickly roll it. And don't put too much ghee, otherwise it will slide off.
Arey wow. This is what I was talking about.
Okay.
Papdi. Arey wow. I'll tell my mom I need it.
And while it is still hot, you quickly make pieces, otherwise it will not happen.
Otherwise, you're eating a rotla.
No, I mean you can cut uneven, but if you want like proper pieces, you do it while it is still hot.
Hmm.
Is the gas still on?
Gas is still on, yes.
Okay.
See when now the good is a little coming out, so you can add little more till. See, you can see good all around because the gas is still on.
Now bulk order of this kadai from Windows.
I'll tell you separately our adventures of looking for this kadhai.
Seriously. That sure sounds like fun.
We didn't find it.
Acha.
And every time you don't
Take a
put
video of this.
yes.
Right now it's a 23-minute video, so I'll be sending it to you unedited, but then I'll edit when I get time.
Yeah, the cooking part 20 minutes you don't need to.
No, they can fast forward, no?
Yeah. This rolling part is tricky. You don't want too much ghee also, and otherwise it will slide off, and if you don't have ghee, it will stick.
Ghee spray. Someone should invent a ghee spray.
Oh.
It dries in a minute. See, this one is all dried. So if you don't make pieces right away,
I can tell you how it crunches in my mouth, okay?
Huh.
Yeah.
Thanks, Shivani.
Ears to your devices, please. Can you hear that?
this I will make a little bigger and try to make it in a bowl shape.
Oh.
So one of the things, guys, you will have noticed perhaps is Varsha has about 5 of these spread out, and you know she's moving them like she's using a different one each time because while the other cools.
The rolling I'm using the same one because I put ghee on that.
Okay.
And I'm just moving my chicky
Okay.
to a different one. This sticking. Alright, this is sticking. Still my stove is on.
Hmm.
You can make as big or as small as you like. And ये बोल के ऊपर ऐसा उल्टा कर दो. Any shape, size bowl. When it dries, it will be. We'll lift
Yeah,
it up.
slide it.
Yeah, little bit later.
So cool.
So you can make a different chicky like peanuts and till and almonds, and then make a bowl and stuff it in there.
So you can do this with almonds also?
Yes, almonds, cashews. You have to. I will show you. Dry roast. You cut it into half and dry roast, but that will not taste very good in food. So almonds and cashews, I make it in sugar.
Also, almonds and cashews you can't turn into a bowl, right? Chicky you can turn into a bowl because it's
only
tiny.
the small tiny particles. That's why you can turn it into a bowl.
But you can make chicky of virtually any nut.
Yes.
And it would be the same
Yes.
For any good base chicky, this would be the recipe.
Yes.
And I've seen people put rose petals in it and
Yeah,
whatnot.
yeah. So cashew and almond, you can put kesar, the squares that you get in stores.
Yeah. Manik Meva.
Yeah. So you start rolling slowly, and then when it is little bigger and little cool, then you can go fast.
So it's interesting, Varsha, because I think I see one thin tar.
Yeah.
Very strong thin tar when you're lifting up your velan. I couldn't tell if it was my eyes or if it was real.
So literally, it will be single layer of til.
You see it now.
So if we leave it thick, will it be like not crunchy or it's just?
No, it will be crunchy, but it will be hard to bite because it will be too hard. If it is thick, it will be hard to bite. You can leave it thick, no problem.
This is old lady special. Old ladies can eat it and they love it. I can tell you from personal experience.
It's denture friendly, is that what you're saying?
Huh, every old lady in the complex loves it, yeah. Rajni Ben has bulk order. My mother loves it. Everyone loves it.
Okay, I'm not going to keep this near me.
Oh, you gonna? Can I mix them?
Yeah, yeah.
Oops. So far, here's the stash after everything that Shivani ate while she was standing next
Count
to
the
her.
squares, count the squares.
Shivani, you want to keep this?
Yes.
Say this one.
Areva.
Oh wow. Okay.
Try crocheting that.
I'm sure you're going to go and try and do that.
Piece of cake, man. I'll tell Janki to do it.
Huh. She's like, I need multiple samples, okay, Hema? Of this
Chicky.
to see how to make it.
Chiki, she already learned, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, Janki, Nandita, they had all learned.
I've already learned. Radhika knows how to make it. I'm set.
It's good that multiple people know.
Yours is thinner than what Radhika makes.
So when I want to take it to someone's house, what I do is I just cut off all the sides and make all small square pieces.
And then Viren gets the square.
They make a rose out of the side, no? Sorry, you finish your job. I'm just getting creative here. That's all.
No, I had done rose also earlier. But by the time I do that,
Yeah, then
thing
the others.
will dry.
Yeah.